everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to listen to a new phonical story. Let's see what the story is about. The name of the story is Fanny the Fish. Fanny the Fish was going to the freshwater pond to swim. On the way, she saw a fat frog. The fat frog was blocking the way to the freshwater pond. Fanny got furious. She frowned and said, "Why are you blocking my way?" The fat frog said, "I'm scared. My friends have left me here and went away." "Why are you scared?" asked Fanny. "I don't know where to go. I will get lost," said the fat frog. Fanny said, "Come, I will take you to the freshwater pond. There is no need to be scared. Follow me." The fat frog started swimming behind Fanny the Fish and they reached to the freshwater pond. Fanny the Fish and the fat frog became best of friends and had fun. If you want to see more phonical stories of all the letters, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.